Assalamu alaikum, dear lovely brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. How are you all doing today? I hope you are fantastic, and I'm quite good as well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, in this video, I'm gonna talk about this excavator, where we are gonna learn different types of parts name of this excavator. Wow, this is really yellow excavator, and this is really big one. Now, actually, I feel like riding this excavator, but I don't know how to ride, and it is closed. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, let's get started. Now we are gonna learn different types of parts names of this excavator. Actually, today is really I feel warm sunshine. It's scorching today, as if winter season is going on now. However, now I feel warm sunshine. It's really scorching today, but I'm trying to make video and trying to practice as well. And I think practice makes someone perfect. That's why I'm practicing. Actually, I have not been practicing for a long time. That's why today, this morning, I just thought of making video. Now I'm doing my work and trying to practice a little bit as much as I can. Actually, I'm trying to apply vocabulary that I learned, and I'm trying to learn how to make sentences in English about anything. That's why I have come here and trying to make sentences about this excavator. And in this video, you'll be looking at different types of parts name of this excavator, and we are gonna learn them. So, dear lovely viewers, let's get started. As you can see behind me, this is called track shoes. This is called track shoes. Oh, there is a little brother actually. Uh, actually, he's looking at me. He doesn't know that I'm making English video. I'm making a video and trying to make sentences about this excavator and trying to practice. He doesn't know at all. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, do you know what is this and how to say it in English? This is called actually um, track frame. And this is actually called tractors, or you can also say track frame. Track frame is this whole one called. This whole one is called track frame, but this is individually called tractors. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, do you know what is this? This is fully called cup. This is called cup. In this cup, that is called main control valve. And above that is called roof, and above that is called roof, and this is actually called cup. Actually, this is actually called cup. So, yes, and this is YouTube channel. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, as you can see behind me, there is a counterweight. Oh, there is a seat. Over there, as you can see, there is a driver. Are you driver of this excavator? Oh, there is a driver. He's looking at me. He's looking at what I'm doing actually. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, this is called counterweight tank. There is a fuel tank or engine that is also called hydraulic pump or engine, and this is actually individually called fuel tank, engine, or hydraulic pump, and this is all called counterweight, and that is called roof. And over there are some glasses. That is called cup. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? This is cylinder, and over there, big one, that is called boom. That is called boom. Do you know what is this and what to say it in English? This is actually called bucket. It takes land and throw another places. This is actually called bucket. It takes land from any place and throw another place. So, do you know what is that? That is called arm. That is called arm. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, do you know what is that? A small one. That is called cylinder. That is called cylinder. Wow. This excavator, it's really, really big. My camera is not focusing whole this excavator. Wow, there is a big bucket. I think it has a great capacity. Uh, it takes land and throw another place. This is really yellow excavator. Oh my God, this is really big one, as you can see. And there is a driver of this excavator. Actually, I'm trying to make video about this excavator. That's why the driver has come to see what's happening, what's actually happening. It doesn't matter. Actually, I've met him clear about it. I told him that I'm just making video. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything different without making video about it. Okay, so the lovely brothers and sisters, I don't want to make it more longer. Stay safe and well. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. And please pray 5 times.